Michelle here from Atlantic Canada Cooks, and hearty meals and hearty dishes. You know, you end your day with these amazing dishes that we've cooked today, and you know what makes your meal perfect? When you have fresh flowers and that beautiful freshness that you see with your eyes when you're coming in and you look at the amazing food. We've got our potato pizza baked casserole here, our amazing potato leek soup, and of course, what are we gonna unveil at it here? The stew. This is an incredible homemade hearty chicken stew with grandma's favorite recipe, years and traditions of love, great dumplings. So start with fresh ingredients, and just like we're starting here, look at these lilies and the Gerber daisies and roses. So thank you, MacArthur's Flower Shop, 360 Mountain Road. Drop by, see them, have a conversation, learn about all the incredible recipes they have to make your day-to-day life just a little smiler when you get up and you see those flowers in the morning. You can get weekly subscriptions. Valentine's Day is coming up. Why don't you share a little love every week? I know Mom and I enjoy having our flowers and sitting down, and we often sit with our great meal that we've had and talk about, we're going to see these lilies, they're still going to be blooming. So it's like the gift that keeps on giving. So Atlantic Canada Cooks, get some great food, hearty meals, amazing dishes into your life, and brighten up every day with an amazing floral bouquet from MacArthur's Flower Shop. So we'll see you in the kitchen every Sunday. Looking forward to connecting and having a lot more fun